Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday reiterated that government's claim of having 32 lakh metric tons of coal that was previously extracted and measured. He argued that the drone survey carried out as per instructions from the High Court of Meghalaya may have missed some areas, resulting in under-reporting of 13 lakh metric tons of coal, which has been termed as missing. In his 18 interim report, which was recently presented to the High Court of Meghalaya, Justice retired B.P. Katake found that there was only 19 lakh metric tons of coal, whereas the government had claimed to have 32 lakh metric tons.
So as I said, it's a drone survey that was done. So maybe there were some locations that were not covered. Maybe there were some areas that were not taken into consideration. Maybe the coal that was there was the one that was transported earlier that was there, because as you know, Coal India has already asked us to shift those the stock different locations that are there, and that process also has happened. So there are there's a lot of ambiguity in the aspect of these locations. So therefore that could be possible, because it's a large area. So you could be seeing a lot of complication in this. But I think at the end of the day, the Supreme Court has given us a clear a mandate, and they've mentioned that is 32 lakhs, and that's what we stick to right now.
Government of Meghalaya